Turn to California. The state hit so hard that an emergency alert went out warning residents to stay at home when possible. Kaylee Hartung is in Los Angeles with the very latest. Good morning, Kaylee.
Yeah, good morning, Michael. This hospital lab, it's busier than ever before because, as the LA Times put it, there has been a stratospherically high jump in the number of new COVID cases in California. According to their count, Monday broke a record by more than 12,000 cases.
This morning, California demolishing a daily record for new coronavirus cases. An emergency alert sent to millions of Californians to stay home. On Tuesday, the state smashing single-day records for coronavirus cases and deaths. Officials warning that in just 1 week, the state's daily average number of new coronavirus cases has more than doubled. This report coming at the same time officials expected to see the consequences of Thanksgiving gatherings.
These numbers reflect actions we took in late November, and we can't take those actions back. What we can do is change our actions today.
Across the country, more than 104,000 people are hospitalized. Dr. Andrew Carroll just filled surge shifts over the weekend at his Phoenix hospital.
The ICU is full. The teams are working as hard as they can. We're trying to get in as many specialized personnel from out of state to help us out. We're running on empty here.
The University of Kansas Health System has 152 frontline workers out with COVID. ICU nurse Kara Purdom has worked 6 days in a row. Here she braids a patient's hair to keep it off her face before she's put on a ventilator.
We coded a patient when I walked on the unit. We intubated a patient emergently 10 minutes after that. And I still had 2 patients. So our staffing is hurting.
And as the cases surge higher across the country, healthcare workers who suffered during the first wave say there's no comparison.
This wave is worse, just one after another, patients coming in, so sick.
This as vaccine hope begins to crystallize. CVS and Walgreens revealing plans to administer the vaccine. Walgreens saying it's creating 800 to 1,000 hub locations to store the ultra-cold vaccine. CVS saying they have 44,000 facilities and will put 9,000 pharmacists on the road to give the shots. Both pharmacies scheduling appointments online and calling patients if they miss a second dose.
And here at Providence St. Joseph's, they've had to upgrade their lab equipment to meet demand during the pandemic. This new machine, it can process up to 1,000 COVID tests a day. And of course, some of those positive cases, they end up hospitalized. Here they say their number of COVID patients has doubled since Thanksgiving. Robin.
Has doubled. All right, Kaylee, thank you. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.